probably 26, if I had to guess, right? Yeah, he's probably 26. Whew, pretty fish, man. Jeez. What a beaut. Oh, I hope you can see it on film too. He choked it. That was sweet. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, damn. I gotta be quiet. There's more up here. Sorry. Excuse my language. Set the hook and missed, and then that one and one other one behind him just came cruising out of this tall grass over here, headed towards the middle of this little flat. That was crazy. I had to catch up. Small fish, but nice fish. They're so much fun to catch. He was just lightly tailing. He wasn't really tailing that hard. Ooh. Alright, well, we're just gonna go ahead and net him then. Smaller than the other one. Alright, there he is. 2 spots on that side. One spot on this side. Trusty Savage Gear shrimp, man. I just can't get away from it. Not for sight casting, it's hard to at this point. I've had so much success on it. Little pumpkin. Gorgeous fish, man. smallest fish I've ever seen tailing, for sure. Without a doubt. About 16, 17 inches. There we go. That was a grind right there, man. That was a grind. Yes, straight up grind. Come here. Pretty fish, man. Oh my gosh, he's copper. Oh my goodness, my goodness. Ow. That braid sliced my hand. got him. It's so funny, you hit that one lure, and I lost him. He just either didn't have it, or I pulled it out, something. And I threw it at him again, he swirled on and missed, so threw a different bait, another shrimp imitation. Looks totally different though, which, all good by me. Sick. That was so sick. So sick. This fish just came out of the water right here. And I was just tracking him as he swam away. So it's a small fish, but that was cool. We gotta get on the flat though if we're gonna land him. That was so cool, man. I like the eats like that. It's like that pop. So cool, dude. So cool. Not as small as I thought, actually. He's not big by any means, but let's get the net. It's probably 21, 22. Super dark once again.